Hey guys, Alessio, hope you're well. So how about that rally in Bitcoin? Both Bitcoin and Ethereum have rallied really hard, as we said it would. So let's talk about that. Join me. All right guys, welcome back. So a very quick video for you about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Basically, by the way, before I start, let me just say where I am. You probably noticed from the video here that I'm not in the UK anymore. I'm actually in Iran, in Tehran. I came here a few days ago and here for the Persian New Year. It's always a great time to be here for the first day of spring and the Persian New Year. Really a beautiful place to be here in Iran right now. By the way, guess who's with me right now? My good friend Human, you probably recognize from last year.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to Iran.
Just to let you know, if you watch my previous videos from a few years ago, you remember that Human is pretty much really into crypto. He loves Cardano, is it?
Yes.
Cardano and what?
Yes, exactly.
Don't say Shiba Coin. He keeps going on to me about Shiba Coin. I say
Cardano and Shiba Coin.
I say Shiba Coin is garbage, as we all know. But no, it's all right. Anyway, guys, here's the bottom line. You probably know that while a lot of YouTubers, most analysts, almost every single analyst and YouTuber has so far been predicting doomsday, a crash in Bitcoin and crypto. You've seen it all over YouTube. Perhaps there are some exceptions, but the majority of YouTubers and analysts have been extremely bearish, calling for below 10K, some of them calling below 7K on Bitcoin and all the major cryptos. And as I'm sure you know, for the last few months, I've been banging the drum on saying, no, we're not going lower, we're going higher. In fact, I've been bullish now pretty much for the last few months. And also from my Bitcoin video a few months ago, you may remember we had a bullish signal in a 2-week chart of Bitcoin as a MACD crossover. As I'm sure you remember, I mentioned this. And of course, when that MACD crossover happened, there was a strong probability that Bitcoin could rally higher. Also in the member videos, been watching our member videos, I've been saying, look, Bitcoin could go higher at the very minimum towards 25K, 27K. Here's the clip for you.
But I think once we get above this level of resistance here, once Bitcoin can get above and close above 21,825, that would increase the likelihood that a bottom has been reached on this decline for the wave 2. And we could start the next major wave 3, the wave 3 likely taking us towards much higher levels. The wave 3 would take us towards 27,376 to 30K.
And finally, guys, we got this rally in Bitcoin, which is, what do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing, absolutely.
Yes.
Now look, let's not get too cocky here, okay? Let's not get too arrogant and too confident. Look, I'm going to remain bullish as I have been for the last several months on Bitcoin. As I've been saying, as long as Bitcoin stays above 19 or 20K, I'm going to be bullish on Bitcoin for the remainder of this year. Could I be wrong about it? Of course I could be wrong, but as long as Bitcoin stays above 20K, I expect this bull market in Bitcoin and crypto to continue. I said the same thing about Ethereum. When Ethereum and most major cryptos were dropping and crashing just about a few weeks ago, again, I mentioned that I'm bullish on Ethereum as long as it stays above support. Here's a clip.
But for now, as long as we stay above that level, I maintain a cautiously bullish outlook on Ethereum. And also, as I mentioned earlier, just to repeat this point one more time, yeah, I still also need confirmation. Confirmation is important. I would need to see confirmation that this drop here, this pullback has bottomed by getting a move and a close above 1,500 to 1546.
So bottom line is, as long as Bitcoin stays above 20K, I'm going to maintain a bullish perspective and outlook on Bitcoin and crypto for the remainder of this year, at the very least for the next several months, okay? So it's going to be good. By the way, the reason I mentioned 20K is because 20K is an important support. If 20K were to break, which I don't expect, but if Bitcoin were to break 20K, that would be a strong support. And if Bitcoin were to break that level, would it be good or bad, Human?
I think it's very bad.
Very bad, absolutely. Yes. Now let me say again, I don't expect Bitcoin to drop back below 20K. I think that's going to be a strong major low for Bitcoin for some months. Again, I could be wrong, but I don't think I am wrong. I think Bitcoin is going to stay above that level. And as long as Bitcoin stays above 20K, I'm going to remain bullish on Bitcoin, at the very least for the next several months. And I think we could see much higher levels in Bitcoin, at the very least near the 30K or higher levels. Hey guys, I'll give you another reason why you should come and visit Iran, because everyone here is really friendly. You've got a lot of friendly people here.
عزیزای دلم سال نوتون مبارک باشه. امیدوارم که حالا اگه ایران تشریف آوردین سال نوتون مبارک باشه. ایران حتما تشریف بیارین.
Here from Iran, from Tehran, I wish you a fantastic crypto new year, Persian new year as well. See you guys soon in the next video. Cheers.